Alright guys, hello, this is Substitute Topher. I am out here at Atlanta Motorsports Park in a Honda Civic Si race car. They use this in the NASA Racing Series. These cars go long distances, they go 25 hours at a time. We're out here right now with Bridgestone testing out the brand new RE-71RS, the replacement for the RE-71R, which is the existing tire. This is the newer version of that. And I just heard from a couple of the guys that drive these cars that they're able to go a full 25 hours without touching the rear tire. So some pretty impressive tread wear. And they even said that they think they could maybe go the whole race without even replacing the front tires, but towards the end, they usually put a new set of tires on. So I've never driven one of these fully stripped out, prepped race cars. There's a screw on the ground right there, as you can see. This is pretty legit here. So I'm gonna go out and probably get ripped apart by G's. Hello, good to go? Yep. And you all will be along for the ride to see my first experience here in the Civic Si race car. I'm out here with Tedward, there he is over there, miles per hour somewhere over here. And the gentleman from Redline Reviews are in front of me here in this identical Civic Si. One thing I want to point out and make you aware of before I go out is that the RE-71RS, of course, is a street tire. So we'll be driving on street legal tires today. But of course, this car is fully race prepped and everything. So just to show that this tire can do street and track. Of course, primarily it is a track tire, but yeah, we're gonna go out and we're gonna have some fun. And I guess we're starting right now. This is basically just a regular Civic Si with everything stripped out of it. So turbocharged inline 4, 6-speed manual, it's everything you get in just a regular Civic Si, but there's less in here. So some other differences between this and just a regular Civic Si: we have obviously more aggressive front brakes, we have a different radiator, and we have a reinforced fourth gear, as a lot of the tracks that these cars run highly depend on third and fourth gear. So we have reinforced gears, and but other than that, other than having a cage and being stripped out, it really is just a Civic Si. Ooh, and it smells nice. I'm not sure how much you guys will be able to hear me once we're out on the track. That's why I wanted to kind of get all of the talking over with to begin with. But just enjoy the sweet sound of the Civic Si race car. Obviously starting off here pretty slow. Oh, the brakes. Oh, the brakes. Wow. All right, getting a feel for everything, making sure we get these tires warmed up before we push the car too hard. Motorsports Park is a very technical track, lots of elevation changes. most visceral experiences, just driving a fully stripped out racing car. This is a street tire. This is crazy. The amount of grip that this has out there. Obviously this is fully prepped and it doesn't weigh anything, but like to think that this is just a regular street tire. Anyone can just put this on their Miata and go drive it around. Oh man. What a thing. What an experience. Oh my gosh. So much fun. I don't know how to, if there's a parking brake in here or how to set that or anything. Honda man is gonna come help me. Unreal. Unreal.
Yeah, it's good?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Good to go?
Put it in gear, please. How'd it go?
Fantastic. Yes.
Awesome. Let's pop that off to make it a little easier for you.
Love it.
Slide the
Thank
seat
you.
back, please. Make it a little easier for you there too.
All right.
Powertrains, aside from the fact that they do not have any awesome like exhaust on them, so they're rattly loud, they're brutal, they're fun,
Yes.
but they are still SIs through and through. Reinforced fourth gear because that typically is what blows on these things on tracks.
I'm just hop back over the wall.
Third goes because hydro tracks are where we have this.
Need to have the harnesses?
Yeah, so it's very difficult to sports days.
Cool guys, we're gonna go out for one more session here later on, but I think that will be over on the Winding Road Magazine YouTube channel. So that'll wrap it up for us with the NASA Race Civic SI. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that experience. But we'll have some more videos coming here for some of these new Bridgestone tires, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But as for this one, that'll wrap it up for us. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one.